Hello guys, today I've got Sennheiser Momentum 5 and I'm going to show you how you can easily clean your headphones. So, you need to prepare 3 things. The first one is some cloth. Here I've got microfiber cloth, not actually length-free cloth, but I've got here microfiber one. You need to prepare a microfiber, just some soft cloth. This is the first thing. The second thing is actually some isopropyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol, which as you can see I did have in here. Actually I don't have now, but I did have. And 2 brushes from there. The hard one and the soft one. Apart from this thing right here, these 2 things right here, we've got the cotton swabs, cotton swabs I think. And here I actually recommend to prepare 2 or 3 of them, depending on the level of dirt. Here I actually won't use any of them because they are super clean, but just for the showcase. So once we have all these things prepared, we can begin. So at first you need to take off the ear cushions and remember to don't use alcohol on them. So to take the ear cushions you need to just take this, the opposite direction. You need to just pull this to the opposite direction so that it will just come off. Okay, I think it's on the left one, so let me do this on the right one. Like that. I did this earlier, I'm just afraid that I will damage them. Okay, now, here I've got the right one. It's not, I would do this on the left one, but I'm afraid that I will break them because they are not mine, they are private headphones of my colleagues, so yeah. Here, as you can see, we've got this 6 things that we can damage here. The first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, and the sixth one here. And take this ear cushion here, and you need to spray a little bit of alcohol, but not on this thing over here, on the brush, but just a little, just a little. And here you need to go around this thing, around. Here, once you do this around, you can take the cloth and wipe it again, around. Here we've got our cotton stick, swab, and you need to here wipe this black thing, this one. This thing right here, I don't know if you can see this well. Here, this thing is the detector if you've got your headphones on your ears. Try cleaning it very well. And actually on in the inside you can use these cotton swabs to clean this around like this. And when it comes to this material, clean this with a soft cloth, not wet one, like this. Remember to not use water and other liquids like this. That's it for the ear cushions, like this earphones, like the right one, the left one. The same thing that we did to the right one, you need to do the left one. Now put this cushions back again. When it comes to the outside, use only cotton swabs and clean them like this here, and the same other way over here, and the rest of it can be cleaned with the soft cloth. Of course it's better to have length-free cloth, but I don't have one. Here like this. And as you can see, the last final thing we've got here is a charging port. How to clean the charging port? Prepare yourself the alcohol, like the isopropyl one or ethyl one, because they don't conduct electricity. And spray a little bit on the brush. On either the soft one, it doesn't really matter, either on the soft one or the hard one, and clean the charging port. If it's better to spray the soft one, the hard one or the soft one, but it's actually up to you. And the cleaning process is actually done. Of course, I did this carelessly. Of course, they need to have this attention to detail. I just wanted to show you how to clean them, not the process of cleaning, because it would just take long period of time. So it's just, you know, boring. But that's how to clean. Oh, that's how to clean this Sennheiser Momentum 5 headphones. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like under our video. Have a nice day and bye!